If you're tight on closet space or just want a stylish, heavy-duty solution for organizing your clothes, this VIPEK expandable metal clothing rack might be the game changer you're looking for. This rack easily adjusts so that you can customize it to fit your space. It has multiple shelves for shoes, bins, or folded clothes, plus 2 hanging rods for dresses, tops, and more. I love how much vertical space you get. It makes a small room feel way more organized. It locks in securely when adjusted, so even fully loaded, it feels super stable. And the assembly, totally tool-free. I put it together by myself in under 30 minutes. This is perfect for apartment living, dorms, or even turning a guest room into a functional closet. I'm using this for extra wardrobe storage, and I love how sleek it looks. No need to drill into walls or damage anything. It stands on its own and holds a ton. If you're looking to maximize space without sacrificing style or strength, check this VIPEK rack. It's super functional, easy to build, and honestly, I feel like it looks great anywhere. I would definitely recommend this product.